Hey everybody, it's Mr. Hino with Missio's Lego Robotics, and I'm excited to be bringing you a Hino bot snail mail robotics mission club. I know that's a mouthful, but here's what I'm going to do. If you subscribe, and you can check the link in the comment section for you to sign up for our monthly club. This is going to be a $15 a month club. Every month, you're going to receive a mission from Mr. Hino to complete with your Spike Prime or Lego EV3 robot. And you're going to also receive an 11 by 17 mat every month that has different missions for you to solve and complete. And what you do is you can have your parents scan this QR code, and it will basically allow them to upload your video of you completing these missions. Now, what's going to be really exciting is every month when you complete the missions, I will be sending you for the next month a sticker basically saying that you completed these missions. So for those of you that have a dusty Lego EV3 or Spike Prime robot that's not getting any use right now, you can now improve your coding and your problem-solving skills by signing up for this monthly subscription. For those of you that are teachers, you can subscribe and have your students do this in your classrooms. And what's really cool is on the back, I've even included my email if you're having coding or equipment issues. So this is going to be super fun, and you can cancel this at any time you want. So if you check the description, or if you check the first comment, I have given you the link to sign up to basically say, hey, I'd like to try this out. And it will just, if you want to continue, like I said, month to month, that would be amazing. But again, you can cancel at any time. So this is going to be a really cool club that those of you that can do this, this is going to be just so amazing for us to enjoy. Okay? Let me go ahead now and give you a preview to the first month mission. Oxygen delivered. Fuel unloaded. I can't wait for you guys to join.